What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 5 as seen on TV gadgets. Let's see what I got. For this as seen on TV gadget, just repellent, multi-surface stain and liquid repellent. Okay, let's find out. I watched the commercial, so I'm going to do few tests like they did on the commercial. I bought it for $14 and I'm gonna spray it on one pair of shoes, see what happens. What I also really want to see, is it going to change color and how bad. Might be putting a little bit too much, but I don't want any liquid to go through. Okay, now we'll let it sit and dry out. We're going to do same thing with the napkin. Finally dried out, it still feels like paper, which is good. And also it didn't really stain. I can't even remember which one I sprayed. I think this one for sure, yeah. This one is still wet a little bit from the rain. But it didn't really change the color of the fabric this much. Maybe just tiny bit. So because of that, it's already better than never wet, because when I used never wet, it completely made the shoe really white. But look at that, it's raining right now, and this one absorbing the water and this one repels it already. That's really cool. But in the commercial they poured a lot more water. Let's do the same thing. Okay, let's see what happens. You can see the water stays on this one and not on that one. This is so cool. Wow. I can't believe it. That works really well. Water is just going away. This one absorbing a lot faster. This one is just repels it so well. Amazing. This product definitely is improved by a lot. It did not change the color of the shoe. Maybe tiny little bit, made it a little whiter, but it's still awesome. If you put it side to side, that's to me same color on the sides right here. Same thing right here. Love it. I actually sprayed it everywhere. See what happens. Look at that, it repels it so well, even on the side of the shoe. And this one, you see this one get wet instantly. So is this one. Wow, I'm amazed. This is seen on TV, definitely one of the best in a while. Okay, let's see how the napkin does. Wow, look at that. This napkin just repels the water. It absorbs a little bit of water, but for the most part, it repels it so well. Let me try to put a whole bunch of water inside there. And look at that. It just holds in there. And you know how napkins usually absorb water really well. It works even on the napkin, just like in the commercial. For this as seen on TV gadget, I got here Easy Moves furniture moving system. This looks like moving parts, came with 8 of them. Wow, very easy to put it together, that's for sure. Anyway, we're gonna put them like this. I like it. They actually advertise it works on any surface, and it does not look like it's scratching my hardwood floor. They say it works on any surface, but look how much it's scratched up. And I feel like because this thing's scratched up, the hardwood floor might scratch up as well. And to put them on, all you have to do easy. Lift it up. You can adjust this side here, so that way it can stick through. Very nice. And then same thing, I can just push it and it slides right in. How cool is that? I really like that mover. This couch really heavy also. Okay, let's see how it does on two. Okay, it's sliding on one carpet and on the other carpet. Easy. Up. Sometimes you might have to make sure that it doesn't go under the carpet, the other carpet. Look at that. Makes the turns no problem. Boom. And my couch put away by myself with ease. You know what, this gadget works really well, especially with the carpet. That's probably what I would use it for, because it slides much better and does not scratch. For example, this table is flat, and what this thing is going to do is slide in inside there. You can lift it. Look how much you can lift it. Slide this thing in on one corner and the other corner, set it down, and that way it can slide better. You don't have to lift it as high. For this I seen on TV gadget, we got here no more string or wires. This is a weed whacker head that is a lot stronger or sharper than a wire. Also, when you're using weed whacker wire, it spins so fast you don't even see how far it is, and when it breaks off you don't even see how much it have broke off. So with this tool you always be able to see how far you in and out, especially when you cut around the trees or bushes or flower bed. You do not want to cut off the flowers or the tree. So when you're using this string, you can't even see the string, especially when it's running really fast. You see what I'm saying? When it slows down, then you can see the string. There is a quick example. I can really cut with a lawnmower around this tree, but I really want to make it perfect. But at the same time, I don't want to hit the tree and kill it. So that's what I'm gonna use instead this time. So this is what it looks like when it's not spinning. And then look at that, you can see it's so long. Well, I say it's not bad, not like usual cutters, but at least I don't have to worry about killing the trees or messing up the fence. Same thing, when you hit the string on a metal fence, it just breaks off. With this thing, it doesn't matter. See what I'm saying? That way I can cut around the fence and not break off the fence or my string. So this is actually amazing. It's like a mini lawnmower. I'm having too much fun with it. It looks like plastic, but this whole thing is metal. Cuts a little bit different compared to a string, but it's perfect around the flowers, around the trees and the fences. Definitely going to use it. If you got a drawer with a bunch of small pieces, but it is really dusty, it's disgusting. You gotta vacuum this. But how do you do it without picking up all your stuff? Well, guess what? There is a gadget for it as well. Dust Daddy. So this is supposed to vacuum all the dust out without picking up the little metal things or whatever you have. Looks like we need to put this thing into here, and it's like bunch of straws right here. And this one gonna go into here. Got your vacuum hose, stick it in, Fits perfectly. Okay, let's turn it on now. Looks pretty good. It picked up all the dust in, but look at that. Still a lot of dust that would not pick it up from this kind of mat because it just sticks to it so much. I'll have to wipe it off. Okay, that actually works pretty good. I like it. Definitely going to use it. Especially this side here, the mice get into it and put bunch of all of these weird seeds into it. So, who knows? It might be pretty useful. I like it. For this I seen on TV gadget, I got closet organizer. Well, technically it's supposed to give you more space in a closet. Let's see if it works. So you got no more room in your closet. So what we're going to do is take off a couple of the jackets. Hang this on, actually this way. Boom. Let's see if it's going to hold them. Looks like it's not that durable. It's mostly for the t-shirts. Because look at it, it's just falling apart if you're going to hang bunch of heavy stuff. But the idea is when you let go like this, you have a lot more space. And if it was t-shirts, it would work a little bit better than this. I'm gonna hang another one right here. Let's try it out anyway, see what it looks like with the jackets. I guess they do give you a little bit of extra space, but honestly it's better for t-shirts than heavy jackets. Is it worth it? Let me know in comments below. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.